Hey everyone, welcome back. I am here with another video on Astro Gen 4 Max Pro M4 custom ROM, and today I am going to share the review on GOG OS latest version 5.1.1 official. So let's talk about this ROM with security patch update of June month and with Electroperf latest kernel 2.3. So guys, this is the best ever ROM I have tried yet. And guys, please subscribe our channel, and we have reached to 80k fam for now, and we have to reach very soon to hundreds and thousands and millions. So now let's talk about this ROM, and you can see I'm using it right now in my device, and you can see its look and its craziness and uniqueness is very cool. You can see that some issue I got here in quick Kyle said much lagginess. This issue is a source side issue, so cannot be removed. It may be removed in next some updates. If we talk about the quick Kyle's options, so you can easily customize these options and you can use them without any problem. Let's talk about these workings. You can see codes and like image very good. You can see the animation which comes while changing battery saver. It's very cool. Garkim like both are working correctly. After it, Bluetooth connectivity and hotspot is very good. Garkim is also working very well. And if we talk about here AOG, so AOG is very good. It's working perfectly. You have no issue to use AOG. It is working very good. After guess you can see other options go here. These are working very good. You can see Moco Golby sound. It is also working nice. Let's talk about GoCOS launcher now. Let's talk about wallpapers here. There are lot of wallpaper here which you can customize and set up on your lock screen and home screen, which will be work very good. But in live wallpapers you can see a issue here. So you cannot use live wallpaper if you have current on the Monix engine. Also you can see here different wallpapers of different ROMs, so you can easily select any wallpaper here and set. You also can see a grid size here 5 by 5, 6 by 6 and 7 by 7 etc. After it, let's talk about launcher. In this tracking you can see the icon size. You can easily customize this. Also here in our notification panels, this ROM is just about equivalent experience you can have from this app. Also here you can see the hidden app section, so you can easily hide some apps from your app drawer, so you can only use Goj apps if you want. So you can use this option. It is very good option. It is only found in some ROMs. After it, we are going to check here the display option. In display you see brightness, agape brightness and dark theme like. In addition, quick like Skyline wallpaper rotation is perfectly working here. Font size and display width, you can easily customize this option. If we talk about accent color, you can easily change the accent color, font and also the icon shape. So these options are very good and cool looking. Theme options are available in this ROM, so you can easily customize these options according to your wish. After it, we are going to talk about its customization. In customization panel there are lot of customizable options, so you can use them without any problem. You can see icon shape are changed correctly. You will have no issue while changing this option. Illegal lag is reserved because of entire system change. You can see the cover cap ko sleep and cover cap ko wake option are perfectly working. In AOG, this option will not work on lock screen, but without AOG, this option working perfectly on lock screen and home screen. So you can use cover cap ko sleep on home screen, cover cap ko sleep on lock screen, and also cover cap ko wake on lock screen. After it, you can see a customizable option here. Some option battery, edge lighting color. You can easily customize this option where you have no problem in it. After it, other options are there also. You can easily use game options like status bar. You can easily change the battery style also here, and edge lighting, screen lock, screen clock, percentage. So you can easily customize these options, say mpm and setting and positions, and is battery life. So you can change key options according to your need. After that, we see here another customization and more customizable option. Row and column, you can check the numbers of rows and column here, so you will have no issue. In addition, quick app lock, you can easily lock any app you want, and you can unlock that app by simply your face unlock, fingerprint or screen lock. And also you can see the this engine very cool. It will change your wallpaper color according to your wallpaper color. So this option will change the sync color according to your wallpaper. This option is very good. It was also present in last cupcake. No much minor changes here in this cupcake as compared to last cupcake. Also here see a volume button, so you can easily customize this option also. Also in game you can change fonts and styles and icon shape and a same color, so you can easily change these options. If we talk about your gestures, so यहाँ पे डबल कैप को स्लीप एंड डबल कैप को वेकअप options are present. Also music equalizer here, so you can easily use these options. These are customizable options, so you can use in this ROM. After it, let's see some other options in this ROM. Let's talk about accessibility. Here you see screen show, darken, display size, magnification and color inversion. These options are perfectly working. You will have no issue to use this option. Vibration is working perfectly in this ROM. This ROM is entirely very good, stable and so smooth. You will love to use this ROM. And Android 12 experience and Android 12 inspire Chrome. Also some developer option here. Status bar tuner, you can easily use these options. So you will have no problem to use this option in this ROM. Let's talk about another option in this ROM. And guys, please subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed my channel. You can see the storage tab here easily, which is perfectly working like Android 12 experience. As I said already, this ROM is perfectly inspired from a 12. You see here app and notification, and we talk about networking and connect, Wi-Fi connectivity, hotspot and Bluetooth. Both are very good. And if we think about calling, the calling sound is very good. You can easily call, but you will not have here native video calling or Wi-Fi calling option. And for call recording option, you need to install Nick Core apps here, as I said already in last videos. So you can see the recording option is perfectly working. You will have no issue to use call recording in this ROM. So these are some options related to calling and network which are working perfectly. After it, which I'll see here sound. Sound is very good in this ROM. You will have no issue in sound quality. The sound quality is just awesome. You can easily use any sound, any gaming sound or media volume, which are working very perfectly. You will have no issue in sound. You can also use Dolby Sound IQ here, so you will not have any issue in sound quality. You can check music, games or movies, so you can enjoy the music whatever you want. And if we think about media volume here, you can see the quality of sound here is very good, and easily you can up and down the volume using volume buttons. So these options are perfectly working. The volume is very good. Even in high sound, high volume, the sound is very good and good experience. After it, we are going to see some security options. In security, we will see here lock screen using pin password, face unlock, fingerprint unlock, which are working perfectly. You will have no issue to use security. So you can see the face unlock is working perfectly. So these options are perfectly and very speedy. After it, we are going to check some banking apps. In case of banking apps, no app is have any issue. All the banking apps are working. Whichever I cash, I usually cash here Yono SBI, like HDFC Net Banking, PhonePe, Google Pay, and Paytm. So these options are already presenting and working perfectly in this ROM. You will have no issue to use HDFC Net Banking, SBI, Yono, and like. You also use here UPI payment apps like Paytm, Google Pay, and PhonePe. So these apps are also working perfectly. You will have no issue to use banking apps in this ROM. So banking apps are working just perfectly in this ROM. You can also try another apps. Whatever your bank be, they will be working here. After it, we are going to catch some Geekbench score or Native checker. So let's check guys Native checker. If we talk about Native checker, you can see here will have some legal issue box Linux and this ROM is broken by default. It may be issue in this ROM because I expect this ROM to be not broken. Also you can see the safety net cache here is passed. You will have no issue in this case. Also Geekbench score is comparable very high in this ROM. You can see the score is very good 326 and 1320 score for this ROM is very good. After it, we are going to check some other options in this ROM. So let's think about camera quality. If we talk about camera, here is a camera given which is very good with minimal features. So you can install just Click Google Cam which is very good. Advanced camera, so you can use Get camera. You will know much option in this camera, but quality is very good in case of videos and photos. So for normal purposes you can use this camera, but if you want more personal and professional photography options, so you can use any Google Cam for your experience. After it we are going to check some another options. You can see the ROM is very stable and smooth, and user experience it is very good, so you can feel very good to use this ROM, very stable and like fluid. So another options here is about battery. Battery backup is very good in this one of very good. Battery saver is gear is given very good, but I don't see here any temperature option. And if we talk about battery backup, it is very good. Like I have used some app here in gaming mode. Also I have tried Indian PUBG BGMI in this ROM, and you can see the battery usage in the last gaming time. So its battery backup is very good, but I face illegal hacking in this ROM while gaming. This hacking may be due to I don't know, maybe gaming or this kernel. So you can use to change any kernel, but for battery backup I will prefer to use electroperf only. This kernel has the best ever battery backup. So overall battery backup and gaming experience, I will say it is good for gaming also, but no, I will say the best ROM for gaming. You can normally use this ROM for gaming. So let's try gaming in this ROM, and you will see a gaming video of this ROM in the next video, which will be updated very soon within 1 or 2 hours. So now I am going to cast Indian PUBG in it, which is recently launched for casting. So I have purchased my here headset for only this game, and also I broke this gamepad for this device only because I have some touch issues in this device which cannot be played. I am going to cast the game in this ROM, and guys, you have to do work. You just have to like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Your support is very good. So guys, let's make in next video with another ROM. Stay connected, stay updated. Thank you for watching.